fashionistas. Hello friends, welcome to Lively Lifestyle, where I share with you inspirationals based on godly principles, simple DIYs, baking tips and tutorial. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell button to get updates whenever I post new videos. I've been working with fleece fabric for a while now, and one of the most difficult aspects of working with fleece fabric is to determine the right side from the wrong side. So in this video today, I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how you can determine the right side from the wrong side when working with fleece fabric. I've had a lot of challenges with that. I've done my research, so I've decided to share with you what I have discovered. Hope it will be of help to some of you who might be working with fleece fabric or working with some difficult fabric, trying to get the right side from the wrong side. And so let's get right into it. Fleece fabric is one of the best fabric for the cold weather. This is a yellow fleece. It's the polar fleece fabric. First step to tell the right side from the wrong side of a fleece fabric is to take it under a bright light. Yes, yeah, my light here is not as bright as I would want it to be, so I can't just tell based on this, because to me now they might just look the same. And what to do when you take it under a bright light to be able to tell the difference is this. Most fabrics, so any fabrics, not just fleece, there's some Ankara fabrics that could be so difficult, especially when the selvedge edges are not there any longer, so it can really be difficult to tell the right side from the wrong side. And one sure way of determining the right side from the wrong side is that the color prints on the right side are usually bold and bright, while on the wrong side they are not. They are usually dull. And some fabrics we have white patches on the wrong side. So I have to take this fleece fabric to a brighter light to be able to tell which side is brighter and which side is not. So let's go to a brighter light. So I can tell now that this part of the fabric has a bolder yellow, while this part, the yellow, is not as bold as this other side. The side that has a bold, bright color is the right side, while the side that have a dull color, it's the wrong side. Imagine you're working with the fleece fabric at night and there is no bright light for you to know. How else do you tell? That takes us to number 2. The number 2 way to tell the right side from the wrong side of a fleece fabric is by going to the selvedge. This part, the part that folds, the part that rolls, it's always there in most fabrics. These parts are always there. So in the fleece fabric, selvedges are usually rolled inward like this. So I'm trying to unroll it out. So if you see, I think you can see this way. It's rolled inward. So one thing to note about fleece fabric, the selvedges are usually folded towards the right side. So whenever you buy fleece fabric and just check out the selvedges, the side it rolls towards is the right side. Yeah. Okay, so number 3 way to tell the right side from the wrong side of a fleece fabric. Imagine you've cut off the selvedges. You've finished cutting and you just have scrap pieces of fabric left and there is no selvedge. How you can tell the right side from the wrong side? It's to go to the stretchy part of the fabric. Yeah, another reason I love fleece fabric is that it stretches. It has stretchy parts. So I love sewing with stretchy fabrics because it's easier to work with. I don't have to fix that. Yes, I don't. In fact, sewing for myself personally, if I want faster way to sew is scrapping out darts. Yeah, putting darts on your clothes actually makes your clothes fitting. Yeah, more fitting. So it's actually nice to put darts for you to get a better fitting of the clothes. And you always have to do that with cotton and other Ankara fabrics. Go to the stretchy parts of the fleece fabric and stretch it. Now, when you stretch it, you will see that the fabrics fold towards one side. The side the fabrics fold towards is the wrong side. A fleece fabric, when you stretch it, it always folds towards the wrong side. Okay, so we are going to try this out now and see. Now we've established that this side the selvedge folds towards is the right side. We've established that the side that has the brighter color, the bolder color, is the right side. Now we want to try out the third one. When you stretch a fleece fabric, it folds towards one side. So the side it folds towards is the wrong side. remember, the selvage edge rolls toward the right side, but when you stretch, the stretched part, the part it rolls toward, is the wrong side. Please don't confuse those two. They are two different things. So if you have a pen and paper, just write it down so you don't confuse yourself with that. Okay, so let's do this now. So the side with the selvage edge does not stretch. Like you can see this, it doesn't stretch. Yeah. Then the other side is the one that stretches, and this is it. You can see. When you stretch the stretchy part of the fleece fabrics, it folds towards one side, and the side it folds towards is the wrong side, as you can see. Yeah. So I've been holding this like this. The selvage edge, yeah, roll towards the right side, which is this facing me, and it doesn't stretch. Now I turn it the other way. Still, the wrong side is still facing you, the right side is facing me, and I stretch. And as you can see, that's the third way of telling the right side from the wrong side of a fleece fabric. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below. The next time you're working with a fleece fabric and you're finding it difficult to tell the right side from the wrong side, just watch the video again and you'll be able to tell. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button and notification bell to get updates whenever I post new videos. Thank you. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye.